You've never heard of the Millennium Falcon? It's the ship that made the Kelso run in less than 12 parsecs. Welcome back, everybody. Here we are with issue 73. Let's take a look to see what we're going to be doing here. So first thing we're going to do is talk about first thing in the magazine anyway, is the First Order TIE Fighters. Then we have the Stygian Prime, the Spire. And we have Space Stations, Clone Wars era. And we get into this issue. So let's go ahead and crack the code, get our parts out. So again, the best part about this is I don't have to go sort through parts and all that kind of stuff. I verified all the parts were there when I received them, and now I've got plenty of parts. We have plenty of screws. We have these. I have some of those. And we have some more hull plating. And it tells us about this. Not sure which one this one is. I'm guessing it's not on this one. I don't know. I'll have to figure out where that one is. At the moment, I don't think that it really matters all that much because I wasn't really following these anyway, so not a big deal. But this talks about the red stuff. Where is it? The red outline shows the position of the 24 side panels that join the top and bottom of the mandibles, as well as the top and bottom of the main hull. Each of these side panels has a code number that begins with SP for side panel, which we use throughout the step-by-step instructions. We're not doing any of that today. Today, looks like we're going to be assembling some more framework. We've had our fill of framework, but if you happen to think that the mandibles were going to go on without any framework, then you were mistaken. So we're going to use the parts from issue 72 that we didn't use already, as well as this part, looks like. And we're going to put all of these bad mamma jammas together. So, let me get the magazine up out of the road, and we will get started. All right, so all right, well, that is all of that. Now, what we're supposed to do is put this on, but you guys know the deal. I'm going to paint this. Unfortunately, I've ran out of time this week. Yard work and all that kind of fun stuff has gotten in the road. So I'll paint this off camera. You guys have seen me mask and paint these things enough. So I'll do all that off camera, I think. And we'll get this painted. And once it's painted, then we can get it mounted. So maybe I'll save mounting it for on camera so you can see it. Not that it's going to be that big of a deal. There's just 4 screws. You never know. It might be in the next issue. Might be putting on the parts on the backside. So we'll see how that goes. So that is the framework for one of the ends of the mandibles. Looks like it's going to be on the starboard or the port side. Maybe on the left or the top. I don't know. Well, I guess we'll find out. Actually, it goes this way. So this will be on the starboard side. No, no, port. Okay. Anyway, regardless. So that's that one. And in issue 74, we're going to get another piece, probably for the top side or the bottom side, whatever, the opposite side, and another piece of the plating, which will probably go right there. So we'll see how that all lines up in the next issue. And thanks everybody for watching, and we will see you in the next one. May the force be with you always.